Good morning, everyone. This is Dee with Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today is Friday, November 14th, and it is 11:18 a.m. I came out to do my morning walkthrough and saw some things, and because it is such an absolutely gorgeous day today, I thought that I would bring you with me. So come along. Okay, I know you guys are not going to be able to see me close up, but you have seen me harvest beans a bunch of times, but I'm going to grab some peas as well. And I'm going to freeze them until I get enough to actually can. These plants are looking beautiful, with the exception of my beans look like they are trying to leave me. And that's okay, because like I said, they have provided quite a bit actually. And I am very thankful for their donation. But what I'm doing now is just trying to pick off some of these dead leaves that are on here. And I should have done this a long time ago, and I don't even have my gloves on, and I got them with me. But some of the leaves look a little worse for wear, so those are the ones I'm grabbing. They're just crunchy. Can't be having no crunchy leaves. Alright, let me go and toss these. I should have brought the trash bag around here with me. Oh! Oh! I just touched a worm. Caterpillar. Ugh. Ugh. Yuck. I did not like that. Not at all, y'all. Don't freak out. I should have known that was a possibility when I didn't have my gloves on. He ought to be passing on soon, because I even sprayed these with BT. But I got something I want to show y'all if it's not gone by the time I finish. But I am getting ready. There's another one. Oh no ma'am, not today. No, not today. Not ever, if I can help it. I am so sorry, leaf, but you're gonna have to do some duty for me, because we finna get him. Ew. Ew. Oh, I brought the trash bag over here with me. And I did just throw him in the yard, didn't I? Ooh, move, Mr. Whatever you were. Okay, that was one caterpillar. I know there's another one because he was in between a hole. He had eaten his way through. I know I'll run up on him again. Oh my God, I hope that wasn't caterpillar juice. Oh, never mind. Y'all don't don't pay any attention to that statement I just made. That was awful. I don't think I'm getting any deliveries today. or at least I checked to see if I was getting any deliveries today, and I didn't see any. But that doesn't mean I forgot something. Okay, music is going on. I'm finna get busy.
Con ese estilo retro, estás interesante como el acero, tú eres siempre tan brillante. Sin esperar, podemos mirar, se nos dio, digo que
Okay, y'all, this is one of the reasons why you are to do morning walks and look at your plants. Look at this. Can you see him? That is the third one I found this morning. It's just a, let's see if it can focus on it. This is my old camera, so he kind of old. Come on now, focus. Because I am not a fan of him this close to me. But anyway, it's a caterpillar. And he's finna go on and meet the other two right now. As soon as I can get my glove back on. Alrighty. Moving on. And what y'all see me doing is I'm harvesting and removing dead leaves from around here. So that's why it's taking me just a little bit longer on this side. to work. I wanted y'all to see this spider that has built a web in between my house and my neighbors. Yeah, as long as he don't come over here, we good. All right, so that is going to do it for me in the garden today. It's warming up and I'm burning up. So let me show you the harvest. I know I usually separate them into two different containers, but I got one filled up with my seed starting mix. But I've got yellow and green beans and just a handful, and I mean a handful of peas. I probably should have left them out there, but I didn't. I grabbed them. Now, where I put them, I don't even know, because I don't see them. They're buried up under all of this beanness. Okay, anywho, I got about 5, maybe 10 little seed pods, pea pods, and that is it. So I was about to say haul. This is not a haul, this is a harvest. But harvest today, and yeah, done. I am done. So as I was harvesting, I was removing dead leaves, debris that, and dead leaf debris that had laid in, that's laying inside of the bed versus the ones hanging on the stems. I grabbed those. I grabbed the ones that were on the stems, and it's got the garden looking a little bit better because it was looking kind of sad because it had all those brown leaves on it. So don't have to worry about that now. And tell me, why did I run into like 6 caterpillars? Aren't they supposed to be gone somewhere? And if they are, why don't they just go and not be here? But anywho, let's see what else. I think that's it. So thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time or your 5th time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until I see you on the next one, take care. Bye.